Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a pocket square. In this video, I'll be going over the winged puff fold. It's a very easy fold to remember, easy to memorize, and I'll be going over the tutorial with these instructions. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we're starting off with our pocket square in the diamond formation. Right here, you can see it looks like a diamond. Sometimes you start with a square, but for this, we're going to start with a diamond. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the top center of the diamond, right over here, fold it down towards the bottom center, just like that. Try and get the fold nice and even. Give it a nice crease so that you know what you're working with. Now, we're actually like probably about 20 to 30% through already, so it's a really easy fold. What you want to do now is take the right corner, the top right corner, and the top left corner. You want to fold them down to the middle, but try and fold them so that you actually get a little bit of an inwards angle. So you get this sort of like this. You're gonna see what I mean in just a moment. When you fold it downwards, you want to get this inwards angle so that you have this little opening right here. Now it shouldn't be that big, but that's probably about enough. So right here, as you can see, we now have our little puff at the top. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take these corners, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna fold them in towards the center point, which is basically right here. So I'm taking the right corner, folding it in towards the center, just like that. The bottom middle corner, folding it in towards the center, just like that. And the left corner, folding it in towards the center, just like that. Now, once you're in this position right here, you can see that we actually have the winged puff right there. But what we can do now is we can just take it and we can make it look a little bit tighter. So this is a little bit big for a suit jacket pocket. So I would take this side, gonna bring it in just a little bit. Take this side, bring it in just a little bit, just like that. Okay, and then we're just going to take the bottom, we're going to fold it up so that it fits in the pocket. You can also fold it behind, and then what you have when you're done is a winged puff. Now I'm just going to make sure the folds are nice and ready to go. I would then take this, put it in my suit jacket pocket, and then you have your winged puff just like that. It's a really simple fold. It looks absolutely awesome. It goes, business, casual. This suits pretty much every situation with regards to folding your pocket square. And you can obviously adjust the sides and the bottom to make the width and the height that you want. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this pocket square folding tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.